It's Mo! Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your AR-15. I'm going to be doing it in two different ways. The first way, I'm going to show you guys how to lube it. If you're at the range and your gun is dry, we're going to show you how to do a quick lube. The second is going to be an actual cleaning when you get home. We're going to be taking things apart. I'm going to do my best to show you guys that in a very quick manner. Let's get into it. So if I were going to the range real quick and I wanted to lube my firearm up, first thing I would do is put a little bit of lube in these bolts here. Fill those holes up. Boop. Then I'm going to rack it a couple times. Then I want to slide this back and I want to lock it. Lock your slide back, drop some lube down in there. Just a little bit, a couple drops is good enough. Send the slide forward, there we go. I have some COP, a cleaner, a lubricant, and a preservative. Any gun cleaner is going to work. Toothbrushes. Before I ever invested in a gun cleaning kit, I would use toothbrushes and COP. The first phase is we're going to be breaking down the AR. We're going to be taking off any accessories that we need to. As far as the sling, we're going to be breaking the AR down, taking the different pieces out. So YouTube doesn't like when you show people how to break down and build ARs. So you're going to have to use your brain. You can't read between the lines. I'm going to need y'all to read between the lines. Let's get it. Once your firearm is clear, you want to break it down by pushing out your takedown pins. You have two. This is going to separate your lower from your upper. So after you push out your takedown pins and you separate your upper from your lower, you're going to pull out your bolt carrier group. So once you have your bolt carrier group out and your charging handle, you want to disassemble the bolt carrier group by pulling out the extractor pin. Right, to remove this extractor pin, I'm using a nail that I found in my office. Boom. We're going to touch that right there. Then we're going to pull out this firing pin. Firing pin's right here. I'm kind of remembering. All right, boom. Then we're going to twist this cam bolt. There we go. Then we're pulling out the bolt. We have the bolt carrier group. We have the bolt. We have the cam pin. We have the extractor pin. And we have the firing pin. So let's get cleaning. So what you really want to do is get up in here the best you can and break up any carbon. And if you do this every couple range trips, it won't be as hard. My cleaner up in there. We're going to take our upper, get a stream of that up in there. Like I said, the CLP is a cleaner, a lubricant, and a preservative. So now we're going to reassemble. So let's get a little bit of lube on this charging handle. Look and see where you see the most wear marks. Now what I like to do is start putting everything back together. So cleaning your AR is super easy. Every time I went online to watch a video, I see 30-minute videos. It's not that hard. Make sure your firearm is clear. Separate your upper from your lower. Take your bolt carrier group out. Take your charging handle out. Separate your bolt carrier group pieces. Clean them off. Put it back together. Oil it. I like to put a little bit of oil on the metal pieces here and clean it off. Leave it with a nice shiny coat. Rack it, rack it, rack it. You're good to go. You know what it is. Mo!